Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to use Google Sheets and Flippity to create a quiz show like Jeopardy, but we're also going to use ChatGPT. So I've gone through a lot of iterations with this prompt. So it's going to go ahead through and it's now going to prompt you what's the topic. So I'm just going to type in 4th grade ELA PSSA. As it's doing that, as it's creating the questions, we're going to go back into Flippity, select instructions under Flippity quiz show, select make a copy of this template, make a copy of it. Okay, so now go back to chat, see if the questions are done. If they're not, give it a little bit of time. So I'm going to pause this right now. Okay, so here are the questions. All you need to do is select copy. Go ahead back to your Google Sheet in B2, click in there. Now go ahead, Control V to paste it in, and you can now see you have all of your questions. Now to get the link and start it, select get the link here. What you'll need to do is go to File, Share, Publish to the Web, and then Publish. Select OK. Go ahead and copy this link here. Now you'll need to go into row 3, paste it, and now you have your game ready to go. You can see you have 4 teams. You can see your categories, all this right in here. When you're ready, go ahead and start. You can see vocab, synonym for happy, so you can go ahead through. So whatever it may be. In this case, it was joyful. So if they had something similar, you can go ahead and give them some points. Go ahead and click on it. Now, if you want, you can always go ahead through. You can remove teams if you'd like. If you'd also like to go ahead through and show some other options, you can select right in here. And in this, you can select where you can show or hide the timer if you want. So if you want it to just be 10 seconds, go ahead and change it there. You can also go ahead in here and you can, switch questions and answers. You can go and shuffle the questions or start it all over. To get into your Final Jeopardy, select right down at the very bottom where it says View Final Category. Go ahead, difference between a theme and a main idea. So you can go ahead through. And there's your answer. If you do have any questions, please reach out. I hope this helps. Take care. Bye-bye.